In this video, I'm going to show you the high win rate strategy, the 3 entry models I'm using. We are going to be using H1 and 15 minutes time frame. Let's get into it. Here we have a bullish upward trend because the price is going up, creating higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. And where is the last higher low? This is the last higher low. Remember, in the uptrend, we have to buy at the higher low. We have to buy at the higher low. But when price reaches this key price point, it reacted at this price point multiple times. It started consolidating, and we don't want to trade consolidation. So what do we do here? We draw our key resistance level here. We draw our key resistance level here. Why? Because we are expecting the price to come back to retest this key resistance level before it goes down. Yeah, because it is now consolidating as a sign that price might not break through this consolidation, this price point. So the next thing, we got down to 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, and when we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, price consolidated a lot at this price point. Yeah, it is really a strong key resistance level. So what do we do here? When we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, we have to wait for price to come back, even though it already came back at our resistance level. But again, we have to wait it to come back at our key resistance level for us to take the trade. Now, the price has reached our key resistance level. Most beginners enter around here. They enter. So my advice is, don't just enter immediately when the price reaches your major key level. You have to be patient to wait for selling pressure or selling momentum as the confirmation. So you have to be patient to wait. As you can see, price is still going up. So you have to be patient always to wait. Now, I think, but we are still getting small and small candlesticks. So these are weak candlesticks. We have to be patient to wait for a strong candlesticks. But we have, on the 15 minutes, we have another key resistance level here. Yes, on the 15 minutes time frame. Now, the price, this is the confirmation, guys. Here, if you can enter here, you press your stop loss above this 15 minutes key resistance level and you take profit. We have a key resistance level. No, sorry, a key support level here. Yes, a key support level. So what do we do here? We press our take profit at this key support level. And let's wait and see. Absolutely. Another strategy is here. The price is going down, creating lower low and lower highs. Lower low and lower highs. This is the last lower low and this is the last lower high. And we have a key. Yes, we have a key resistance level. Yes, here. We have a key resistance level here. Let us see what will happen next. Now, the price came back to retest this key support level below here, this swing low, and then break through this key resistance level. What do we do here? We have to go down to 15 minutes time frame to see before we go down to 15 minutes time frame, we have a key support level here. Because now price is bullish, we want to buy. Yes, we have a key support level here. We have to go down to 15 minutes time frame to look for our entries. You go down to 15 minutes time frame to look for entry model. Yeah, this is a strong key support level. Remember, I told you to consider a major key level strong. It has to retest the same price point more than one time, and this is a strong key support level because it retested this price point more than one time, even more than 2 times. It retested so many times, so this is a strong key support level. We want to wait for price to come back at our key level before we take this trade. Yeah, let us wait. Now, the price has reached our key support level. So we have to be patient to get a strong momentum. Look here, guys. When the price reached our key support level, it started creating small and small candlestick, not one, not two, multiple small candlestick. This shows selling pressure has ended, and now we are potentially going bullish. Look, after giving us small candlestick, it given us a bullish engulfing candlestick. The bullish engulfing candlestick means buyers have stepped in and they are taking price up. So what do? We enter here because now we have a confirmation that tells us to enter. You enter, you place your stop loss below this swing low, and you take profit at this key resistance level on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, you press it here. Let's wait and see. Now look, guys, the price came back at our key support level. It came back to retest the key support level. So, and later it given us multiple bullish candlestick. So you can enter for another buy position and you press your take profit at the same price point. So now we have 2 positions running to our take profit. Let us wait and see. Again, the price came back at our key support level. It came back. So let us wait and see, guys. Finally, it hit our TP. The first, you do your analysis on the H1 time frame. You draw your major key and resistance level, support and resistance levels. Then you go down to 15 minutes time frame to look for entries. You don't enter until you get momentum, bullish momentum or bearish momentum as a confirmation. It increases your chances of winning the trade. Let me show you the last strategy. So we have a bearish downtrend here. The price is going down, creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is the last lower low. This is the last lower high. So we have a key resistance level right here. Yes, we have a key resistance level right here. The first strategy I showed you was a reversal. The next was also a reversal. Then this one is a continuation. So we have to go down to 15 minutes time frame to look for our entries. 15, yes, 15 minutes time frame to look for our entries. Yeah, this is 15 minutes time frame, guys. This is what I told you. To consider a major key level strong, it has to retest the same price point more than one time. And this is a strong key resistance level because it retested the same price point even more than 3 times. So this is a strong key resistance level. When you do this, it increases your chances of winning the trade because you only consider strong key levels. Let us wait for price to reach our key. Now the price has reached our key level. Yes, it reached our key level and it is still consolidating here. We don't just enter. We want to wait for strong confirmation to enter the trade. Let us wait. Now, this is the confirmation, guys, because it has given us selling pressure that tells us that price is now heading back down. So here you enter for a sell. Immediately you enter, you place your stop loss above your key level. Yes, above your key level, and you take profit. Yeah, you take profit. We have a key support level here on the 15 minute time frame. Yeah, so guys, don't press your take profit way too far. Please press your take profit at the next key support or resistance level to avoid delay. Let us wait and see. Absolutely, just like I told you, analysis on the H1 time frame, entries on the 15 minutes time frame. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and watch the next video right there. See you in the next video.